Hey y'all, so I was out here. I just wanted to show you these cattails are dangerous as hell. I was trimming this cattail. Let me show. Okay, so this is the one over here on my neighbor's side. Hers is nice, green and lush, but mine over here, they were starting to die because as you can tell, they were initially grown on that side of the fence. And so I was trimming them down, and I was just actually picking up some of this so I can put in the compost pile, because when I was trimming them, I didn't have any problem. But then I realized I had my gloves on too, because I was also cutting down some poison oak. So I had my gloves on, so I was just picking it up to put in the compost pile. Got cut there, got cut on my hand, and as you can see, I kilo it really easily on my arm. So thankfully I have some not Surgisil, but I have some cream, some ointment from my dermatologist that I'm always supposed to use whenever I have a cut, especially somewhere where I kilo it easily. So I'm gonna definitely put that on there. But I just wanted to come and show y'all, be careful out here when you're doing gardening, and just be mindful of what you might just, I guess I'm gonna say, always put on some gloves, because you never know. Even though this looks pretty harmless, this is sharp as hell. It didn't seem sharp, but I guess the way I was grabbing it, it's really, I don't even know how to explain it. See, we're renting this house, and our other house on the other side of the river, we don't have these at all. So I'm not really familiar with gardening and trimming these. I've seen them from a distance, but I've never trimmed them. So if I would have known, I definitely would have used something. I would have had gloves on. So I'm just giving y'all a heads up, if y'all have this growing anywhere and you got to trim it, use some gloves, because you will cut yourself up trying to trim this. And I still have another one I have to do. But yeah, just wanted to come and show y'all. But what I was actually coming out here to do when I decided to pick this up was, I have this banana tree, tree that's not really doing well, in my opinion. I mean, I have some new shoots coming off of it. I always get new shoots, but the leaves, for some reason, they were just getting brown and ugly. So when I cut them back, and they always grow back. I always get like new shoots. So I just cut it down again. I'll do an update later and show you what happened. So I'm one of those people, when I come out here to do one thing, I don't necessarily get distracted, but then I start doing something else. So I trimmed it and was like, you know what, let me come pick this up, put it in the compost pile. And that's what happened. So I got to go to work, and y'all know I'm around all those germs and diseases at work, and I do not have time to catch MRSA in my finger. All right, bye y'all.
Fake. Where is it? Why is it swelling? Is it swelling?
Yeah, it's swelling. It's a wound.
Wait, they can't see it because of my hand.
They can see it. It's okay. It's called Stratosil. That's what y'all. I was saying Surgisil, but it's Stratosil. Okay.
Okay, where the other one?
And the other one's on my finger, but I don't need none on there. That'll heal up. I get cuts like that all the time.
No, you don't need. You get infected. You work at a hospital. Let me band-aid you up.
I don't need no band-aid. I'm not gonna. I gotta wash my hands. That's not gonna work. Check. I don't need a band-aid, but I don't need a band-aid. I don't need a band-aid. Okay, maybe on the finger, but then it's gonna get wet on my.
I need to put it right here. It's gonna get infected.
It is not gonna get. Girl,
Jesus, can't do nothing.
I can use. I don't need no.
I gotta do like Edward Scissorhands. Hold up.
Oh, I am like him.
I need like 3 more. Jeez. Govern yourself.
I know. Next, and really, honestly, next time I need like long sleeves.
Why was you out there?
As I was trimming that banana plant.
That is not what you do before work.
Well, it's just, you know. Yay! See, I told you you could work at a hospital. Look.
No, I couldn't.